guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I am relaxing on my rocking chair to share you this following banana bread muffin. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're just gonna mix it and set to side. What I have here is 5 to 6 medium size of ripe banana with half cup of milk. We're just gonna use the electric mixer or blender to make a smooth mixture. Just put it into the bowl. Now add in half cup of oil, vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil, and 2 teaspoons vanilla essence and 1 whole egg. And then just mix this until completely combined. You can use your spatula, balloon whisk, as long as it's completely combined. Once it's mixed, add in 1 cup of chocolate chip, 1 cup of walnut pieces, and 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Just mix this again until combined. And I have allspice here. Add just sprinkle tiny bit, like 1/4 teaspoon, if not half teaspoon. That's optional if you want to. Now the batter is done. Put it onto your muffin pan. So I will be using larger muffin pan, but you can use mini muffin pan or regular one, but this is a larger one. It's not the giant, but it's a larger one, like so. And you can sprinkle a couple of chocolate chips on top if you like, and also cinnamon sugar. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes depending on your oven. Take out from the oven and cool it on rack. Serve warm is awesome always, but it's good at room temperature as well.